All right, let's do our lesson. So which equation or equations are true when n equals 4? We're going to select all that apply. So, first of all, we are going to take a look and we're going to type some work out here. Alrighty, so first one says 2 times n equals 6. Well, if we have 2 times n, that means when n equals 4, 2 times 4, does that equal 6? 2 times 4 I know equals 8, not 6. So that's wrong. If we replace that n with a 4 here, we have 4 plus 3. Does that equal 7? Yes, it does equal 7. So that is one answer. Let's see, 9 minus n, or 9 minus 4. Does that equal 13? 9 minus 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. That's going to be 5. That does not equal 13. How about 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 4. Does that equal 3? Yeah, it does equal 3. Woohoo! So we have 2 answers that are correct here. All right, let's take a look over here. Okay, we're good. All right, so we're going to solve the following equation when y equals 6 and 8 tenths. So if we have 15 and 2 hundredths, or 15 and 2 tenths plus y, so we're going to replace this in for this y. So we have 15 and 2 tenths. I'm going to write to the side here. 15 and 2 tenths plus 6 and 8 tenths. We're going to line up our decimals. 8 plus 2 is 10. Drop that decimal. 6 plus 5 is going to be 11 plus 1 is 12. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer will be 22. All right, down at the bottom. 4r means 4 times r. When r equals 8, that means 4 times 8. What's 4 times 8? Well, you'll get 32. And that's it for our lesson. Great job.